Welcome to our Detective Mascot YouTube channel, where we challenge your mind with the most exciting riddles, puzzles, and mind games. Each episode, we'll present you with a variety of puzzles and riddles that will test your problem-solving skills, memory, creativity, and logic. So, are you ready to put your mind to the test? Let's get started. Ria was stuck in a palace. The palace was at a great height. There was one tree connected to a window, but the tree was very weak and would not be able to handle Ria's weight. Inside the palace, Ria found 4 doors. Behind the first door is a hungry tiger. Behind the second door is a hungry wolf. Behind third door is an undying fire. And behind fourth door is complete darkness. And animal traps are set up in the room which can cut through Ria's leg. Which door should Ria choose? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have only 10 seconds. Answer is 4. Ria will break a twig from the tree, light it in the fire, and then go into the 4th room. Now the room will be lit up, and Ria can easily pass through the traps. Did you figure it out? Congratulations if you did. And don't worry if you didn't. This was a tricky puzzle. The important thing is to keep your mind sharp and always be curious. Simon's son was hospitalized since a week. One day, Simon was not in the hospital and his son needed blood urgently. Son's blood group was B positive and the doctors were not able to procure it. So they called Simon. But Simon didn't pick up the call. Someone else did. The doctors informed him of the situation. He immediately came, donated blood, and left. When Simon came to know of this, he was very happy. He asked his servants, "Which one of you donated blood to my son?" But none of them replied. First servant said,
"My blood group is A positive. I cannot donate blood to your son."
Second servant said,
"My blood group is B negative. I cannot donate blood to your son."
Third servant said,
"My blood group is AB positive. I cannot donate blood to your son."
Fourth servant said,
"My blood group is O positive. I cannot donate blood to your son."
Can you guess who donated blood to Simon's son? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have only 10 seconds. You can pause the video and think. Answer is, fourth servant donated the blood. His blood group is O positive and can be used for a B positive person. Royal was on a very important project, so he left early to investigate it. But he forgot the case files in his office. When he came back to pick files, they were missing. Someone came inside his office and stole the files. Royal suspected 3 people and he interrogated them.
Sona, I have been on my desk since morning. I don't know anything.
Priya,
I have not been to your office. I didn't steal anything.
Eddie,
I have not been to your office. I didn't steal anything.
one of these three stole the files. Can you guess who did? You have only 10 seconds. Sona, Priya, Eddie. The thief left footprint marks when he entered the office. The marks are of a shoe, and Sona and Priya are wearing heels. So Eddie is the thief.